Welcome to Period 2. In Period 1 of the lesson, we guided the students to determine the area and perimeter by asking them to use the cutouts of small squares. Now, to begin with Period 2, we need to make the following arrangements in the classroom. We will need 5 measuring tapes in centimeters and 16 centimeter long thread and a 10 by 10 grid. Now let's initiate another activity to lead the students towards explaining the concepts of the lesson. To begin with, inform the students that now they have to work in the same groups to measure the objects with a measuring tape and lead to the actual measurement. To begin with the activity, ask the students to measure the length and width of the object with the measuring tape. And then calculate the area and perimeter of the object. Following this, ask them to record their observations in a notebook. Give them enough time to perform the activity and guide them in calculating the area and perimeter of the object. By doing this, problem-solving skills will be inculcated in the students. Based on the activity conducted, ask the students, what is the length and breadth of your object? Let the students respond. Next, ask, what is the area of the object? Accept all the possible responses. Following the responses, ask the students, what is the perimeter of the object? Let the students respond. As the students are responding, make a table on the board as shown. This table has to be completed by students by reading out the actual measurements of the objects. Continue with the following inquiries of the students to lead to the comparison of area and perimeter. Which object covers more area? Accept all the possible responses. Which object has a greater perimeter? Answering questions such as this will develop the skills of decision making in students. Conclude by informing that they will need to try and find the area and perimeter on grids. In the next session, we will take up revising the concepts learnt throughout this lesson. See you there.